welcome back to another video. This is J Math Tech here. Today we're basically going to add Google group tabs. Group tabs basically help with the workflow of pretty much anything that you're doing in Google Chrome. So without further delay, let's begin. So we want to start with, let's say you have like a bunch of tabs open that are pretty much everywhere or whatever, if you want to add let's say one of these tabs. So basically all you would do is right click on your mouse and then go down to add tab to new group, and then from there you can just click on that, left click on add tab to new group, and then pretty much name it anything that you want. You can say whatever. Alright, and then pick whichever color that you want, and that's pretty much it, and then press enter. Alright, so now if you have more tabs open, and then you can just pretty much add that to your existing group. Alright, so I hope that helps out. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my videos, and until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.